I made turmeric juice for my dad and look how it turned out. If you know someone who has tremor in the hands, this video is ideal for those people and also for those who want to lose weight, have more disposition, and increase immunity. It can also help improve skin, hair, and vision. The therapist said that in India very few people suffer from Alzheimer's and cancer, because they believe that turmeric is very powerful and brings all these benefits. Now I will give you this wonderful recipe. You will need 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 piece of ginger, and 2 lemons. Let's start by cutting the lemons like this. Lemons improve digestion, help prevent strokes, increase iron absorption, boost immunity, lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, are good for the skin, reduce the symptoms of respiratory disease, and much more. Now cut up 1 piece of ginger and peel it. Ginger acts as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and helps to prevent diseases such as colds, flu, cancer, and premature aging. In a blender, squeeze the juice of the lemons. Then add the ginger, 1 tablespoon of saffron, and 1 glass of water. Now just blend everything for about 5 minutes. Let me know from which city you are watching us. I am going to pass on a message that is in Exodus 20:12. Honor your father and mother so that you may have a long life in the land that the Lord your God gives you. Of the 10 commandments, this is the first one that comes with a promise of blessing for those who keep it. Parents are not perfect, but they usually have a lot of information and wisdom to pass on to us, because they are older than we are. The responsibility of taking care of children is very great, because it will have a great influence on the rest of their lives. For this reason, our fathers deserve our honor. When we follow the guidance of parents who love God, we avoid many mistakes. Now let's continue with the video. And now our turmeric juice is ready. Take this juice every day in the morning on an empty stomach. The taste is a little bitter, because of the turmeric, it has a very strong taste. But the benefits for your body are amazing. If you find the taste too strong, add a little honey to sweeten it. That was our tip today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your company. May God bless you. A big hug and see you in the next video. Bye.